Welcome to another introduction and demo of the VirtualScribe, the pen and mouse that replaces your traditional keyboard, mouse, pen, and traditional ink and paper. So this is the VirtualScribe. I'll show you quickly how to use it. As you see, I don't need special paper or any special tab. Can use any surface, just like my table over here, which I use as my paper, my navigation pad, or special paper, whatever you want to call it. So I navigate just like the normal pen you are normal mouse you are used to, and I can just do anything you can do with your mouse. Basically, to select something, I just tap on it. I'm going to open a drawing tool to demonstrate how you can use the pen to make your designing work look fancy and nice. I'm not an expert designer, but I can show you something in a tool. So I'm looking for a tool called GIMP. This is actually similar to like Photoshop, but this is just the open source version, so free. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Long live the open source world, right? So I'm going to open a file over here, new file. As you see, the tapping is imitates actually the double click or the single click of your mouse, and I can just do anything like you do with your mouse. So I'm going to open a file to start making my first designing. I can choose obviously how I want. This is again the dragging of things. See, I just drag it around my table and I can move it actually anywhere I want to, just like with your mouse. So I'll just place it over here for the meanwhile. Select a drawing to just like you use your normal drawing tools to design. So I've choose my pen to draw. So I'm just going to make a bird-like actually bird. I'm not an expert drawer, so forgive me about that. This bird will be hot and sexy basically. So as you see here, I can draw the eyes, and as you see here, this will be my bird. It's hot and sexy and all that. As you can see, my birdie really looks hot. You see that? So this is my bird. I'm gonna call it Birdie. So I can just make a drawing with a pen. Simply, maybe let me draw some grass thing over here. That's it. See how fancy my bird is walking over a grass over there. So I can save this thing actually to any format. So I just will save it as a JPEG. But first let me give it a name. Also, all using my pen, of course. I'll call it bird. And save it. And you said replaces, yeah, why not? But I want to save it as a JPEG. So I will go back and save as. Save as. And I will select the type, the format type over here basically. Let me go and look for JPEG image. Yep, JPEG. Let's save it as JPEG, and that's it. Save. And that was it for my drawing skills. I'll now go here and open Word, for example, or let me open my pictures and see my birdie over there as I draw it, and I want to open it with my favorite viewer, and as you can see here, my bird is all here. ready and all that. See that? Sexy, huh? So now I can just view it in any document. I can even add it into my Word document. So let's open my Word document. Oh, didn't see me navigating, did you? So let me do it again. Open my pictures and open my birdie again and preview. And as you see, I can just see what I'm doing with my pen. That's it. So let's close this one up. And that's it for now. Maybe we can add something more to it, like let's insert it into the Microsoft Word document. So I'll go here, insert, and insert picture from file, and I will just select my birdie and tell it to insert, and that's it. This is a bit large, so I will just resize it back to the normal size, a bit smaller maybe, and that's it. And I can decide to obviously write also some text to it. So let's write here, I am birdie. As you can see here, it's not lamb birdie, it's I am birdie. So that is it for this now. So this too can be saved as, and we call it my doc. Save. That's it. And close up this document too. And we're done. So thank you again. The pen that replaces the keyboard, your mouse, your traditional pen and paper and ink. Also, think about it that it will help us a lot in saving our environment. Cutting trees to make paper is not needed anymore. Thank you very much.